Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Outdoor Beards. It's been a long time since I posted a video. I think it's been like a year and a half. Sorry, life just kind of got in the way. Things happen and this kind of had to be sidelined. But like most of the world at the moment, I find myself with an exorbitant amount of free time. While I was on my hiatus, I decided to remodel my office into kind of like a little bit of a YouTube studio. See the nice new background here. Check out the before picture. That carpet was disgusting. My wife was actually the one who suggested hardwood flooring. I was not a big hardwood flooring fan until I put this in, and now I kind of want hardwood flooring over my entire house. So yes, honey, you were right. I was wrong. After tearing everything out of the room, I brought in triple play painting to repaint the walls. I could have done this myself, but I really don't enjoy painting. And my brother-in-law is the owner of triple play painting, so you know I got the hookup there. Installing the hardwood floor was actually a lot of fun for me. I used to be a finished carpenter, so this type of stuff is really enjoyable. Came out pretty good. For the baseboard, we ended up going with a taller profile. When you tear out the old baseboard, there's like this caulking line there that's kind of hard to remove. And if you go with a taller baseboard, you just end up covering it up. And I prefer taller baseboard, I think it looks better. Now, the big accent in the office is the shiplap wall. And I told you I enjoyed doing the flooring in here. I really enjoyed doing the shiplap wall. In fact, talking about it makes me want to do another project in the house. This is gonna get expensive. I think I'm addicted. I had started with pre-stained shiplap. You can get stuff that's not stained, and you can get stuff that is stained, and there's all kinds of colors out there. I was trying to go for more of a black. This came out to be a little bit too much of a gray for me, and it didn't pop against the floor the way I wanted it to. So I ended up having to re-stain the entire wall. I do have to warn you, if you end up doing something like this, it smells. It smells a lot. It took days for that smell to get out of my office. Now the last thing we did in here was add crown molding to the room. My room's kind of short for crown molding, so I kind of went back and forth on it. But once I put it in here, I was like, yeah, that was perfect. It was like the cherry on top for the project. One of the main downsides to having done this remodel, because it looks really nice, but because I don't have carpet in here, my echo was really bad. So I ended up making some sound absorbing panels and covering them with fabric. They look really nice. I had never worked with fabric before, but it was actually a lot of fun. I really like working with my hands. I really enjoy learning new things. So that was a fun project in and of itself, just doing those sound panels. And now that the project's done, here's the before and after photos. That's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. No, it wasn't a super long video, but I'm just kind of getting back into the swing of things. So hang out with me and we'll have some fun. As always, stay bearded, my friends.